I love you, Roxanne.
I know. You said before. But I'm a woman. I'm a woman, I want more.
Well, I can do that. But believe me, this is not an act. I'm about to say things I cannot retract.
Oh? What things?
Well, in no particular order. I love you. I need you. I want you. I go to sleep thinking about you and wake up with your voice winding through my head. I look at you and I can't focus. The whole world shimmers. I'm ashamed. I'm angry. I'm in love. I'm mad. I'm happy. I'm dead. I'm alive. I'm stupid. I'm tongue-tied. I'm writing you letters. I'm tearing them up. I'm writing you letters again. I'm idealising you. I'm humiliating you. I'm undressing you. I'm looking into your eyes. I'm kissing your eyes. I'm pressing you up against the wall. You're pushing back. You're pushing back. Your body wants mine. You kiss my mouth. You bite my lip. You draw blood. You're on fire. You're on fire. Your eyes are flame. Your hair is flame. The whole world shimmers and I burn with love.
Christian.
The whole world shimmers and the night and the sky and your voice shimmers. And I've no wit. I've no mind. I've no break. I've no self-control. I've no shame. I've no authority over myself. I can wait for hours just for one glimpse of you and then not speak to you at all. How can I speak? How can I speak to you? I can't speak. I can't stop speaking. I can't stop looking. I can't look. I'm writing to you. I write for you. I'm tearing up everything I've ever written to you or about you. I burn myself alive for you. I worship you. I strip you. I clothe you. I do up the tiniest buttons on your sleeve. I embrace your wrist. I embrace your neck. I'm kissing the back of your neck. I embrace your wrist then. I'm speechless. Speechless. All I can say is, I want. There is no poetry. There is no structure that can make sense of any of this. Only I want. I want you, Roxanne.